Welcome to this lesson on food chains and food webs. In this lesson, we will explore how energy and nutrients flow through ecosystems, the relationships between organisms, and the significance of ecological pyramids. A food chain is a simple representation of energy flow in an ecosystem. It follows a single pathway, showing how organisms obtain energy by consuming others. Each link in the chain represents a trophic level. Let's look at an example of a terrestrial food chain. It begins with grasses, which produce their own food using sunlight. Grasshoppers feed on the grasses, and frogs consume the grasshoppers. Snakes then prey on the frogs, and finally, eagles hunt the snakes. Aquatic food chains function similarly. In this example, phytoplankton, which are microscopic algae, serve as producers. Zooplankton feed on phytoplankton, while small fish consume zooplankton. Larger fish then eat the smaller fish, and at the top of the chain, sharks prey on larger fish. Let's take a moment to test your understanding of what we've covered so far. Please choose the correct answers to the following questions. Unlike food chains, which show a single pathway, food webs illustrate multiple interconnected food chains. Most organisms have varied diets, making food webs a more realistic representation of energy flow. A food web consists of multiple levels. Producers, such as plants and algae, support herbivores, which are primary consumers. These are preyed upon by secondary and tertiary consumers, while decomposers break down dead material and recycle nutrients back into the ecosystem. Energy transfer in ecosystems is inefficient. Only 10% of energy is passed from one trophic level to the next. The rest is used for metabolic processes or lost as heat. Ecological pyramids visually represent trophic relationships. The pyramid of numbers displays population sizes. The pyramid of biomass shows total organism mass at each level. The pyramid of energy always remains upright, reflecting energy loss at each level. Let's review what we've learned about trophic levels and ecological pyramids. Choose the correct answers for the following questions. In summary, food chains provide a simple view of energy transfer, while food webs offer a more detailed representation. Trophic levels organize organisms by feeding roles, and energy transfer is inefficient. Ecological pyramids help visualize these concepts. Thanks for watching. To deepen your understanding of any topic, explore our comprehensive resources, including revision notes, past questions, gamified quizzes, and workbooks. These tools are designed to help you master the concept effectively and enjoyably.